Hello dear students, the topic of today's class is on manufacturing industry. These are the content. So what is manufacturing industry? So manufacturing itself is a process through which the utility of the product increases and at least some amount of value is added to the new material is used. So in other words, manufacturing means the conversion of raw materials to a finished product and distribution of the final product to the consumer. According to E.W. Miller, the term manufacturing industry included those activities by which man changes the form of nature of raw materials, converting them into more useful products. So these transforming operations are conducted in factories that collected raw materials from various source regions. The finished product goes to the market regions. So here I will be talking what is manufacturing industry. Manufacturing are those where the raw materials is converted in the where raw materials are converted into more value added and then and it goes to the raw material finished product distribution of final product to the consumer. So here I'm giving you the examples of cotton. This cotton cultivation, picture of cotton cultivation, and this is the raw cotton at the sources. So this raw cotton is transported to the industry where it is processed till the finished product, and then that finished product goes to the market, and then from the market it goes to the consumer where we buy clothes, like where we buy clothes. So there are several reasons for the location of industry. Industry cannot be located at anywhere. The industry cannot be located at the mountain area, or industry cannot be located in the Thar desert, or industry cannot be located somewhere in the Jammu and Kashmir mountainous region. There is several factors for needed for the location of industry. So what are those factors which influence the industrial location? So let's see, we have geographical factors as well as non-geographical factors. First, let's see what are those geographical factors. So under geographical factors, the first we have is raw materials. Raw materials is very important for location of any industry. If there is no raw materials, then the industry won't be there, or the development of industry cannot be success. So location of industry is very important by the location of raw materials. Where there is raw materials, then their industry can be developed. Example here it is given is the jute mills in West Bengal. So why there is jute mill in West Bengal? Because jute is cultivated in West Bengal, where the source is the raw materials is located. Other example is sugar mill in Uttar Pradesh. Why there is sugar mill? Because sugar cane is cultivated in that area. Cotton textile, for example, in Maharashtra and Gujarat. So those industries are located nearby the sources of raw materials. The other factors is power. So power supply, or can say electricity, it's very important for the localization of industry. So what are those? In the form of power, you have coal, mineral oil, and hydroelectricity. So like industry like iron and steel require very large quantities of coal and iron ore. So these generally iron and steel industries are located where near the sources of coal and iron. Where there is coal and irons are present, then you can have this industry can be developed. Iron and steel industry can be developed. The other factor is labor. So labor is very important because the industry need to hire people to work for them. So labor is very important. There are two respect. Workers in large number are often required. Not only 1-2 people, but very large number, like 100-200 people. Examples are needed. The other one is people with skill or technical expertise are needed. The other factors for influencing the industrial location is transport. So transport by land or water is necessary for the assembly of raw materials for the marketing of the finished product. So transportation is very important because from the sources, from the raw materials, those raw materials need to be transported to the industry, and after the finished product, those finished product has to be transported to the market. So transportation is very important. The reason why there are so many industry in Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai, it is because these ports are well connected by the transportation through land and water. The other factor is market. Market is very important. Even you have all the above factors, but if there is no good market to sell all those finished products, then there won't be any any development of industry. So good market helps reducing the transport cost and enables the consumer to get things at cheaper rates. The more nearer from the market, the more cheaper you'll get from the finished products. The other factor is water. Water is very important for the functioning of an industry. Example like canals, rivers and lakes. Because of this reason, iron and steel industry, textile industry and chemical industry are located, because those industries require large amount of water for their proper functioning. The other one factors is site. So site requirement for industrial development are considerably significant. So industry cannot be developed in the mountainous area or in the Thar desert or etc. Because for industry to be set up, it requires flat area, and then that area should be well adequate transport facilities. The other one is climate. Climate plays a very important role in the establishment of industry at any place. So if there are extremely hot, if the region or area is extremely hot, humid, dry or cold region, there can be no industry. So those are the geographical factors. Let's go to the non-geographical factors. The first one is capital. Now the modern industry requires huge investment in industry. So the reason why there are big industrial centers are located in cities area, it is because the rich people or the capitalists are located in urban areas. So another example, another non-geographical factors is government policies. Government policies is very important for the future distribution of industry. Why? Because it reduces regional disparity, and also it tries to control air pollution, water pollution, and for avoiding the heavy clustering in big cities. So not only that, in order for the industry to function properly, you need a good management or organization. The other one is banking facilities. Since those industries, big industry, manufacturing industry, factory, those involves daily exchange of crores and crores of money. So industry can be developed where there is the area where there is banking facilities. So the last one is insurance. So those big industries, since it deals with huge investment, there's constant fear of those for damage of machine and then man in industry. So which insurance facilities are also badly needed. Thank you. This is the end of today's class. Please like and share. These are the references. Thank you.